In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to submit an assignment as a student in Educate. To begin, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your student account. Then you'll want to locate the assignment you need to submit. Here in my student account, I can see I have 2 assignments here. I can see the rest of them in the See All tab, but I can see the most recent upcoming assignments here in this assignment deadlines block. So I can see that one of my assignments is overdue, so I'm going to submit that one first. I do have some time on the other one as indicated by the days and hours as well as this ring here. So let's go ahead and click on this link to open up our overdue assignment. So with any assignment, there will be different fields that you can see to learn more about that assignment, so about the details of the assignment. Here we can see the deadline, which in my case has passed, the late submission, whether it's allowed or not. Luckily for me, this is allowed. And then the completion award or the points associated with that assignment. So in this case, there are 25 points for this assignment. So depending on the assignment, there may be additional instructions in this area on how to do the assignment or perhaps what type of file to use, whether that is downloading this or creating a copy with Google. So for this particular assignment, I'm going to do it in Google. So how I would do that is I would click Create a Copy and click Make a Copy to open that copy in Google Docs. If I wanted to complete this in Microsoft Word or another word processing program, I could simply click this download button and then that would download the file to my device, to which I could open that with Microsoft Word or whatever other word processing software you like to use. For this example, I'm just going to create and complete my assignment here in Drive, so I can go ahead and edit my copy and type in my answers here in the spaces provided, and every assignment's a little bit different. So once I've completed my assignment, I need to update the share settings. So to do that, I'm going to click on Share. I'm going to change the share settings so that anyone with the link can view it. And then I'm going to click Copy Link to get that link in my clipboard so I can paste it back in my assignment. So now that I've completed my assignment, I'm ready to submit it. So what I'm going to do is click Submit Assignment. And I have 2 options. I can either upload an attachment. So if I completed this with, for example, Microsoft Word, I would upload that Word document to this field here. Now I completed my assignment in Google Drive tools, and particularly Google Docs. So I'm going to click on this tab and I'm simply going to paste in my link to my Google Doc here. Now I can add a description about my assignment or some notes for my teacher, so I'm going to do that. So once we've added some notes in the description, we're ready to save and submit our assignment. So all I'm going to do here is click the Save button. After I have submitted my assignment successfully, I'm good to go, but if for whatever reason I need to update something or fix a link or something like that, add some notes for my teacher, I can always go back and edit it as long as my teacher hasn't graded it yet. So I'm going to click on Edit Submission and click on that tab, and as you can see, I can update what I wrote either for the link or the description and then resave, or if I uploaded and maybe instead I was supposed to use a Microsoft Word document, I can get rid of this information and then upload it the correct way. So that is how you can submit an assignment in Educate as a student, and as well as edit any assignment submissions as a student. Be sure to check out our other tutorials on how to use the Educate platform.